my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, yes, there's another unboxing. This one is the premium Boxycharm box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm or the Boxycharm Premium, I will leave all of the details down below so that you can indulge in finding out all things Boxycharm, okay? Now, everything in this box is a full size. It's full size. I pay $35 a month, and we're gonna check it out and see exactly what $35 with Boxycharm Premium got me this month. Now, our description card is the first thing that we pull out of the box, and along with our base box, it is the candy shop, okay? Our first item that we have is by Laura Geller, and that item is the 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Lipstick. That is a mouthful, okay? And it says no more air kisses. Okay, well, nowadays you lucky if you get that, okay? But it says our pure pigment formula stays true with soft satiny color that stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. The uniquely curved applicator hugs lips for precise application. The built-in well delivers the perfect amount of color with each application. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $21. Now, this is such good timing for this because I did have a shade that was along this color, but I have reached rock bottom, okay? So let's just see. That is beautiful. And that's just one swipe. And here is the applicator. Okay, not bad. Let's see how long it takes to dry. All right, we're gonna move right along. So this is item number 1. Then the next item we have is lip fuel. Okay, oh, all right, this is not for resale, but okay. Come on, y'all. I know that y'all are not actually counting this as an item. Come on, Boxycharm. Come on now. All right. This says, this is the Kosas Lip Fuel Hyaluronic Lip Balm. All right. And this is a 0.17 ounce size. And it says an ultra hydrating hyaluronic lip balm delivering advanced lip care powered by active botanicals that transports you to a sport state of mind. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $18. Okay, first of all, y'all know I'm having a little bit of a moment with that because right on the package, it does say not for resale. So that's okay. We received it. We're going to say okay. It says baseline lip fuel. And it claims to be energizing with a wild mint, which stimulates the senses to increase mental agility and boost motivation. Okay. Then it says Cognac root creates a gel-like protective network to form a barrier between lips and the environment, and it's ultra healing. Hyaluronic acid attracts water and locks in hydration, while vitamin E smooths, repairs, and plumps. And this is cruelty-free, and it says it has an 18-month shelf life. Now, I'm really not ready to open this just yet. I'm just having a moment, y'all. I'm just having a moment. I'm just telling you the truth. They could have at least taken the sticker off. But I guess it would be for sale somewhere. But right now, this was... I don't know how I'm feeling about that right now. It's not good, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. Okay. The next item that I have is by Go-To Skincare, and this is the exfoliating swipies. Okay, y'all, my apologies. I had to re-record this part because I have an issue with typos, and this is a typo. This is a serious grammatical error here, but nonetheless, it says, this is the Go-To Skincare exfoliating swipies. These are single-use exfoliating pads soak in an all-natural solution, get rid of dead skin cells, and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and deeply moisturizes. The manufacturer's suggested retail price of this item is $35. Okay, so let's see. This is exfoliating shouldn't be confusing and frustrating. It should be easy and big resulty. Their word, not mine. Fun. Okay, fun even. Swipies are fun. Just take one of our powerful little pads for a few laps around your face, and in 60 seconds you'll have clear, clean, glowy skin. Marvelous. Okay. There are 50 pads inside. Okay, and this is what the jar looks like. All right, let's see. It has a peachy, clean kind of smell. What is this? Oh, it has a peachy, clean kind of smell to it. Okay. And yes, they are thoroughly saturated, but make sure you keep your top on tight. And I'll tell you this, if you do have a skincare refrigerator, that would be a good spot to keep it in. It really would be, you know, because it does something to the skin when the products are nice and cool. Alrighty, and that is item number 3. The next item that I have is also a Kosas product, and this is the Tinted Face Oil, and this was my customer choice. Okay, and this says Tinted Face Oil Foundation, a clean featherweight light coverage foundation and hydrating skin elixir with application that takes as little as 10 seconds. The breathable formula evens skin tone, minimizes pores, and erases imperfections while supporting skincare. And The manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $42. Now, as I said, this is the my customer choice pick, and it says makeup meets skincare. It says it is light to medium coverage foundation, and the directions say to shake well before every use. Gently blend 2 to 4 drops onto skin using fingertips. That's interesting. Okay, and the shade that I chose was 8.2. And that one is deep with neutral undertones. So let's just take a look and, well, let's see. All right, it is cruelty-free, and it says it has a 12-month shelf life. Well, I'm going to open this one because I want to see what this is like. By the way, it's completely dry. Okay. Now, don't forget, it said to shake it up. And can you hear it? Okay, so it does have that air piece in it to move the product around. It sounds rather watery, but let's see. I do believe this has a puncture top. Okay, let's see. Wow, it's very, very liquidy. Now, for my hand, if nothing else, this is a perfect shade. So we will see when we actually try it out. Now, it does not feel oily. We're going to see just how long it takes for that to dry as well. Okay? So we'll come back to that. The next item that we have is by Murad. I was actually hoping for this one too, and this one is the hydrating toner, and it says an ultra hydrating alcohol-free toner instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $35. Okay, and we have one last item in this month's premium box, and this is the Illuminati Cosmetics. Okay, it's a collab. Illuminati times Issa eyeshadow palette. Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabel Bediaya for an ultra versatile palette. Create an evening glam look or perfect daytime look. The shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutral. There's a look for every person, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $48. It does come with a mirror, and it has 15 shades. I like the packaging, by the way. This is gorgeous. On the outside, here is the inside with the mirror. And These are some amazing shades. Okay, now you can do, this one right here is what they call a really versatile palette, because if you look at this, you can do all the seasons, okay? Season beauties, for real, okay? And you have your pastels, and you could create a very nice spring look, a summer look, a fall look, right down to a daytime or nighttime in any of the seasons. These are really nice. These are really nice. Wow. Okay, let's see. What do I want to swatch? I think we'll swatch the blue. And this is called Azul. And let's do rose. Woo! Oh, that is really creamy. And it has a beautiful black in here. And this one is called Soul. So here are what these three shades look like. And we're going to see how they perform. Don't want to put it over top. Is this transfer resistant? Okay, no. All right, but we're gonna put it right over top just to see. Look at that. Look at that. You saw it. Right over top of that foundation oil. They look beautiful. Okay. I'm not mad. Now, I'm really about trying out the different formulas of the different eyeshadows. So here's yet another one that we will be creating some looks with. This is really nice. I happen to like this. This month's box was pretty nice. Y'all know I'm still having a little bit of a moment about this lip balm thing, okay? It would have been it would have been fine to have it just like thrown in there as, you know, something extra, but to actually include it in the amounts that would total up to what they claim each premium box value, minimum box value would be. Now, if this is what takes that up to that amount or over the top, I'm really going to feel some kind of way. So we have this beautiful color lipstick, very fall. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, love the shadows, love the feel of the foundation oil. I'm very excited to see how this actually works out, okay? Y'all know I have some challenges with my skin, so we'll see how this works out. For those of you who are not sure about what I'm talking about, I'll leave the video linked up on top. So, well, I'm not sure what I love the most out of this box, what I love the least, but I do want to say these are the items that are included in this month's premium box. Down below you will see the manufacturer suggested retail price of all the items in this month's box. Okay, now I do thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I do appreciate it very much. And most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, yes, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.